Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to fix Google TV apps not working. So let's check it out. Google might change the UI of Google TV in the future. If the options appear different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Just like our Android smartphone, sometimes the apps on our Google TV may not work properly. It could crash, freeze, etc. We will see some solutions to fix this now. We are using the latest Google TV Streamer 4K device, but these steps should be more or less the same for other updated Google TV devices too. If an APK app is not working, make sure it is compatible with your Google TV device and Android version. Then try downloading the latest compatible version and installing it again. Method number 1, check internet connection or app server status. When the apps are not working properly, first we have to check if our internet connection is stable. Check this on your mobile and also on our Google TV device. If not, we have to fix that first. Then we should also check the app server status. Sometimes applications could be down as well. We can check their official website, help center or server page for this. I'll share a screenshot from Netflix for example. Method number 2, update the app or reinstall the app. Outdated applications can also be an issue. We can go to the app page and see if we have any new update for the app. Then we can select update. We can also uninstall the app and reinstall this freshly. Method number 3, force close the app. It will refresh and open the app freshly. We can go to settings, then go to apps. Here we can see the recently opened apps, and if we go down, we can see all the applications here. We will find that there. For example, if I want to force stop this MX Player app, I just have to go to the app and select the force stop option. Okay. Method number 4, clear app cache and app data. Clearing cache will remove temporary files and clearing data will remove the app stored information. We may have to log in again. To do this, we have to go to settings, apps. Here we can select the app we want and then go to clear data or clear cache. We can select that and we can clear it. 0 now. Method number 5, check app permissions. We can check if we have given proper necessary permissions for the application. To do this, we can go to settings, apps, select the app we want and then go to permissions. We can allow the necessary permissions we want. Method number 6, check date and time. A lot of issues on our devices can happen because of inaccurate date and time. So we have to check this as well. We can go to settings, system, date and time, automatic date and time, and we have to select use network provided time. This will ensure we always have the correct date and time. Method number 7, check Google TV account. We can try to sign out or remove our current Google account and add this again. Make sure you have a secondary Google account added to the TV before trying to remove your main profile. To do this, we have to go to settings, accounts and profile. We have to select our account and we have to remove the profile. We can again log in using the same account. Method number 8, free up storage. The applications might act slowly if we don't have sufficient storage space on our Google TV. We can go to settings, system, storage, and we will get this free up storage option, or we will see the required options here. We can clear our Google TV cache and we can also go to apps. And we will have this unused apps section. We can go here and remove the apps we don't want. Method number 9, disable VPN or custom DNS. Suppose if you are using any VPN apps or custom DNS like OpenDNS, AdGuard, etc., there is a slight chance that some applications might act differently. So you can disable the VPN you are using, and for the custom DNS you can go to settings, network and internet, IP settings. We can change this from static to DHCP. Method number 10, update Google TV system. It's good to keep our Google TV updated for new features, security updates and better performance. We can go to settings, system, about, system update, and see if our system is up to date. If we have any new update, it will start to download, install and restart. Method number 11, restart Google TV or unplug power. After making all these changes, we can go to settings, system, and then we can restart our device. In many cases, this should fix the app issues you are facing. We can also unplug the power cord for 15 seconds and plug it back again. And method number 12, factory reset Google TV. Last but not least, this is something we often don't want to do, but sometimes we won't have any other choice. If nothing is working out, then it is better to factory reset your Google TV device. This will remove your installed apps, settings and other data from the Google TV device. To do this, we can go to settings, system, about, and we will have this factory reset option. We can select this and follow the steps. That's all. These are the steps to fix Google TV apps not working. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.